In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts in Notion. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to bring your data to life using Notion's built-in chart option. Even though the actual interaction is short, I'll slow it down and explain what's happening on screen so you can follow along and apply it to your own workspace. Start by opening the Notion page where you want your chart to appear. This can be an existing page with data you've already created, or a brand new blank page. Click anywhere in the page body to place your text cursor. This tells Notion exactly where to insert the new chart block. Now, on your keyboard, type a / followed by the word chart. So you'll type chart as one word. In Notion, the / command is a quick way to bring up a menu of blocks and features without having to search through toolbars. As you type, you'll see a small drop-down menu appear next to your cursor with options that match what you entered. Keep typing until you clearly see the chart option appear in that list. Depending on your Notion setup and any updates, you may see chart-related options like a basic chart block or chart views connected to databases. The key here is to visually confirm you're selecting the option that represents a chart, not something unrelated. Once you see the correct chart option in the drop-down, move your mouse over it or use your keyboard arrows to highlight it. When it's selected, click on it or simply press enter. Notion will immediately insert a chart block at the cursor position on your page. At this point, you'll see a placeholder chart or a chart configuration panel, depending on your version of Notion and the type of chart you chose. From here, you can start connecting it to a database, choosing the properties you want to visualize, and adjusting how the chart looks. The exact customization steps can vary, but the important part is that you now know how to summon the chart feature quickly using the /chart command and then selecting it from the menu. That's all there is to it. You open your page, type /chart to bring up the chart options, and then select the chart block to insert it. Once you're comfortable with this flow, you can add charts anywhere in your workspace to make your data more visual and easier to understand.